Hello and welcome to another lesson from GCSE Lessons Online. We are continuing with topic 1 and 2 with cell biology. However, today we're moving on to topic 1.2, which is all about specialized cells. Different cells have different functions. Multicellular organisms contain lots of different types of cells, i.e., cells with different structures. For the exam, you need to know how egg, sperm, and ciliated epithelial cells are adapted to their functions. Cells that have a structure which makes them adapted to their functions are called specialized cells. An egg cell. The main functions of an egg cell are to carry the female DNA and to nourish the developing embryo in the early stages. This is how it's adapted to its function. It contains nutrients in the cytoplasm to feed the embryo. It has a haploid nucleus. Haploid means one copy of each chromosome. And straight after fertilization, its membrane, the zona pellucida, changes structure to stop any more sperm getting in. This makes sure the offspring ends up with the right amount of DNA. Sperm cells. The function of the sperm is to transport the male's DNA to the female's egg. A sperm cell has a long tail, so it can swim to the egg. It has lots of mitochondria in the middle section to provide the energy from respiration needed to swim this distance. It also has an acrosome in the front of the head, where it stores enzymes needed to digest its way through the zona pellucida of the egg cell. It also contains a haploid nucleus. Sexual reproduction. We've talked about egg cells and sperm cells, and what they're involved in is sexual reproduction. Egg cells and sperm cells are specialized for reproduction. In sexual reproduction, the nucleus of an egg cell fuses with the nucleus of a sperm cell to create a fertilized egg, which then develops into an embryo. Both the nucleus of an egg cell and of a sperm cell only contain half the number of chromosomes that's in a normal body cell, which is 46 chromosomes or 23 pairs. So they are called haploid. This is important as it means that when an egg and sperm nucleus combine at fertilization, the resulting cell will have the right number of chromosomes, and as I said, which is 23 pairs of 46 chromosomes. Ciliated epithelial cells. Ciliated epithelial cells are specialized for moving materials. Epithelial cells line the surfaces of organs. Some of them have cilia, hair-like structures on top of the cell, as you can see there. The function of these ciliated epithelial cells is to move substances. The cilia beat to move substances in one direction along the surface of the tissue. For example, the lining of the airways contains lots of ciliated epithelial cells. These help to move mucus and all of the particles from the air that it has trapped up to the throat so it can be swallowed and doesn't reach the lungs, or even coughed. Thank you. This is the end of 1.2, Specialized Cells. The next topic will be 1.3, and it's all about microscopy. I'm going to try to use a real microscope for that. If I don't get a hold of a microscope, then I will probably move on to 1.4 and start with that, and then try to get a microscope for 1.3 to demonstrate everything you need to know about a microscope. Thank you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe if you haven't. And for more videos, please comment down below what you need most help with, and I will try and make a video as soon as possible.